Alright everybody, and Bengo is back again, and in this video we're going to have a look at a new villain named Autism Fridge. Now this cool villain's weaponry is this flamethrower and freeze ray, and his strengths are ice flames and intangibility and density shifting and space survivability and ice fire breath and power mixture because of the two abilities, and he does have snow and magma manipulation, and he does have death manipulation and shadow manipulation. And he does have optic blasts, which can be fire-based or ice-based, depending on the temperature he's using at the time. And he has autism destruction, and his main weakness is that fire-based characters can melt his ice, and water-based characters can extinguish his flames. Yeah. And that's pretty much all I have time for in this video. Thank you all for watching, have a great time, and please take care.